beams are the outside headlight bulbs. Reach behind the headlight housing, turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it. Push in the tab on the wire connector and pull it off the bulb. Plug in the LED bulb and test it. Line up the tabs on the LED with the slots in the housing. Install the bulb and turn it clockwise to lock it. The bulb's pigtail is pointed down at the 6 o'clock position. Now repeat those steps for the other side. Reach behind the headlight housing to access the low beam bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it. Push in the tab on the wire connector and pull it off the bulb. Plug in the LED bulb and test it. Install the bulb and turn it clockwise to lock it. When installed correctly, the pigtail will be hanging down at the 6 o'clock position. These LED bulbs are significantly brighter than the halogen bulbs. When we measure the output with our light meter, the LED measures more than 5 times brighter than the halogen bulbs. And the clear cutoff means these won't glare into oncoming traffic.